Hi guys, welcome to EMPEROVIAL world, and in this video I'm going to show you a very easy step on how you can find writing gig on Nairaland and how you can actually sell your product and services so easily on Nairaland. So live here is my Nairaland account, and I generate massive traffic from Nairaland for free. That's very important and very sweet. So if you are watching this video right now on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell and kindly watch all the steps I'm going to share with you live here. So very quickly, Neverland have various sessions. Now this is Neverland. And when you come on Neverland, many people see Neverland as a forum for just breaking news, and breaking news. So this side is the general section that you're seeing live. This one here. So so this is not the most important part of Naira. This side, I call this side the gossip galore. So this side is gossip galore. You just see on this side, I think that's all to Naira. Naira have about 2.6 million members, if not 2.7 million members. You can see it right live here, 2.6 million members. So what you need to go and check is to look at the Naira forums, okay? Look at the Netherlands rooms here, live guys. Look at it. So on the general session, they have this room, this room. Now there are two rooms that are very active for whatever you want. So that room is known as the business, investment, literature. Where is it? That literature. Let's get literature here. So like if you don't get it, you can get it from another side. So we have. Okay, this side is job vacancy, business education, and there's a part for writing. I'm trying to get that. Look at literature here, okay? Yeah. So I'll show you how you can post and just very quickly show you how you can post and how you can have traffic. But very easily, let me show you how you can search gigs. For those of you that do hustle-based businesses, like I said, my business on Neverland, and I made enough income on a weekly basis for just leveraging on the Nairaland traffic. All I did was to update. Now, when you post, let me show you from my post. So this is my post, this is my account. So you can see I have quite a lot of posts like here. So if you go here, you see I have a whole bunch of posts here. A whole bunch of posts. Okay. Yeah, I got over 6 figures by promoting this gig for free on free traffic on there. Like you can see I have this kind of traffic here, like okay. So that's okay. So this super massive traffic I raised from that. I also got PayPal gig. So I do quick PayPal account. I just change it. So this some of the traffic how my views are. Sometimes I have a lot of if I want to write a series. So if I just feel like writing on the board, let me see if I can write on a board. Okay, bro, I'll just let me just show you what I need to show you. So this is the views, the forums I post. I post on the investment group, the literature group, the business group, and sometimes I post at the webmaster because I'm a tech person. So I do engage on the webmaster to who my lead and all that. So let's look at some key things here, guys. Okay. So the first thing is this search bar, how you can use the search bar to generate gigs for yourself, like online services. For those of you that are looking for writing gigs, all you need to just do, just come here and type writers needed. Okay, writers needed. So you come and click on the search bar and it will show you all the forums where people will talk about writers. So can you look at this opportunity live here, guys? 5 content writers needed to join a highly profitable writing. You'll be paid 500,000 naira. If you like to write and get paid for this opportunity is up for you. So you can now scroll down and look at okay, so how do you contact this? Look at it. You contact them by signing up on the opportunity is free. Okay, so I can just say I have a friend. Sometimes I do recommend you, like I want to recommend somebody now for this. So I will just kind of do this and I'll go live on my account and I'll just kind of I'll come here. I'll look for somebody that's okay that does this gig. I'll just click on this and I'll paste it to the person. So this will benefit this person. So I'll paste it to that person. So most times when people still get paid for their gigs, they still give me some bonuses. Yeah. So you can come and see, click down and check whether there's any other stuff. You can see I'm not looking for look at people are looking for writers there. So you can look at that. People are ready to pay you 5 naira per words. Per words. And some of this writing you can easily do this writing by just going. If somebody asks you to write about, let's say, love literature, for example, you can search, you can change the like let's say something about how to find love. You can change that word to like Spanish, and you carry that Spanish word and paste it on Google. They start showing you searches for Spanish websites that I've talked about it. Then you copy, you click on one of the websites, you now use Google Translate to translate that Spanish word to English. So you just copy that same word and paste it. Then you start editing them and you already have an article without you writing any shit. Wow, so yeah, so you can search this, you can come and look for any of this stuff, but there are a lot of writing gigs on here. You can just go and check the dates also. Check the dates also when you are looking at this. The date is very important. You can also come here and write poems. Let's say, since you are searching for these gigs, you can come and say something like this side that has to do with section. You can come and say something like you now put business, okay? Then you just put the topic, okay? So let it be that somebody has talked about it, but check the dates. Look at it. Somebody is looking for writers as at midweek yet. So sometimes they may have gotten the writer, but you need to still check. But this other one we saw there that it doesn't have this is all section. The one that we saw that has uh this is just today's date. You can shoot the person in the DM and all that. Okay. All right. So that's very basically how it is. Okay. That's how basically how it is. So how do we look for other gigs? You can look for other gigs by let's say you're looking for truck, you have a truck contract, and you're looking for who that can sell. You can just come and type the 30 trucks tons and type something. You're looking for where to buy 70. You can just type it and put it there and search here. Click the search bar. Then you see a lot of people and their contact for that. So that's how you can find gigs on the Nairaland. Yeah, Nairaland. Sorry, I said Fiverr. So that's how you can find it on Nairaland. So Nairaland is very super amazing. Imagine 2.6 million people with several needs connecting on this platform. So I've gotten a lot of deals from I got over 100 client base from Nairaland just without Facebook ads. So this is super amazing. This is highly engaging, and I want you guys to tap massively from this, guys. Massively. I want you to tap massively from this because this so search this, contact the person and say, hi, I saw your post on Ireland. Okay, so now let me show you how you can post on Ireland to find gigs. Let's say you do website design and all that. So the first thing to do on Nairaland, if you want to get gigs super well, is to show yourself like an authority on Nairaland. So look at business posts. So if you look at those posts here, you will see a lot of stuff there. These keys, some people if you are Uber partner, please share your experience. So push yourself at push yourself as an authority. Like for example, I have a video on my YouTube channel on how to withdraw from Luno. So I'll click somebody is looking for a way to look to how you can withdraw from Luno. So see what I will do. and I'll just come here and click reply. Then I'll go and copy my video, one of my video here that I did. So I'll just put YouTube and I'll search for that video. And I'll just paste that video there. So that's like an authority. Okay, so I'll just check here the one that said how to withdraw from. Look at it. So I'll just copy it and just copy and paste it here. Okay. So okay, so that is how we scale up, guys. So now I've pasted this. Now let's look at how to create a post on Nairaland. So one of the things to create in a post, don't write, if you are telling somebody to contact you via your phone number, don't write your phone number full. You can write some parts and abbreviate. Okay, so look at, so these sites are the forums. Let's say we want to write about business. You can click on this business. So I want to do, maybe I'm doing paper account creation for people, and so I'm doing paper account creation for people, and I'll just, there's this side that says create a topic, create a new topic. So just go there and click on create a topic. Now, when you click on create a topic, the first thing to put is your headline. Now, your headline is the most important thing about your post. So I want to post a headline about PayPal account creation, something. Need a PayPal account. Gather here. Okay, can you just say you need a PayPal account, something like do you need, like I say, do you need a PayPal account? PayPal account. Something. Let's see this. Come here or come here. And say wait. Check this. So those kind of things, I can now come and say, hi, I can help you make a paper account or so and so. So every when I post this, I will now come and every day I will be commenting on this, post. It will go into the top, and more viewers will be seeing my post. Okay. All right. So somebody say write down wanted. You can see this. There's a lot of writing gigs. People are always looking for writing gigs. Some say I need a writer that can deliver 300,000. You don't like the write words every day. Pay is 30K per article. Now there are a lot of people that are running blogs. So they are looking for people that can write for them. So people that can write for them and give them this number of words. Look at the good side is that you get two, 2 to 4 articles per week as long as you can turn over within so that at least 20 to 40 for every week. And so this is big. You can see it. So person is talking about interested, share your links to your previous action, I'll reach out to you. We'll go from there. So they are just telling you straight up. So in case someone is interested in what you're doing, and the person doesn't share his phone number with you, so you check the person's bio. So look at how people are applying and all that stuff. And you can see the writing gig is so super. Okay, you can see there are a lot of writing gigs that are up. So one of the things you can do, you can leverage your writing gig, search for it, shoot your shots, and you need to have you need to post some of your writing samples in some platform, in some writing platform like um, medium.com. So just create some of your content. So you can show somebody your sample. Because if you don't, if your samples is not so nice, the person won't really won't really contact you for a paid gig. Okay, so that's how you post. This is how you look for people on Nairaland. You also go and comment and share and all that. So one of the things, let me go through my own and show you. I think I'll go to some of the things I've promoted on this platform. I have close to 6 topics. Or so sometimes when you are posting, don't go on your profile, my profile. When it comes to my profile, you can come here and can update or edit or something. You can come here, edit, update. Remember that one of the things you can look for is that you can come and put your phone number, some phone numbers, update stuff. Okay, put your phone number, put your personal text. Who can get to contact you? Okay. All right. So guys, go post on Nairaland. Go look for gigs on Nairaland. And if you want more of this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I'm gonna see you on the best side of life. So thank you for staying true on this video. Yeah. Stay safe.